more than 90% of people going to doctors with complaints, physical complaints, there's no physical evidence that there's something wrong. It's actually just an indication that internally the systems are crashing, and we need to pay attention to that. What happens when burnout is happening at the workplace? People are not productive. People are busying themselves with busyness, but they're not completing. People are withdrawing, going into isolation. Now, there's a lot of factors that have contributed to why burnout is happening. People don't have time to connect, not with their colleagues, not with their leaders, not with their loved ones. There's all the time pressure to deadlines. Workloads are increasing because now what happened? Digital world has taken over. We can access our employees anytime. There's no more boundaries. There's no more cut-off time to recover.